Hi, my name is Meg Farnes. I'm the conservatory and formal garden horticulturist here at New England Botanic Garden, and today I want to talk to you about goth gardening. Goth gardening is a celebration of the intersection between dark and light, the proximity of life and death. It's about embracing the chaos and inevitability of decay. I always get excited looking at our plant palette here at the garden. This lovely ground cover plant is Hackanachoa all gold. This is one of my favorite ground cover plants just in general, not just for goth gardening, but I think that the chartreuse foliage and the fluffy little flowers play off really well on bigger textured, darker plant material. This plant is a new goth favorite of mine for its beautiful purple spines, the Solanum atropurpureum. It, as you can see, gets pretty tall. It is very foreboding with all of its spines. Reds and burgundies are also a good way to play with color in the goth garden. Here we have Andropogon blackhawks. Great movement and texture. Can easily incorporate that into any garden that has a little bit more sun, because even a sunny garden can be a goth garden if you play with your colors and plant material the right way. Don't forget that goth gardeners need to eat too. This is Brassica red bar. It's a beautiful kale. It's going to last a little bit longer through the cooler season. It gets really tall and gorgeous. Such a great texture with these chonky, ruffly leaves. Actually looks quite amazing in combination with this tomato plant right here. Look at the contrast there. That's what we're going for. This beautiful cabbage is called Merlot. She's gorgeous. I love those bright purple stalks that go into those deep purple leaves. Just so dramatic. You don't have to eat it. You could just grow it as an ornamental. It's just absolutely stunning. Goth gardening really captures a lot of the themes of gardening in general. Plant death is normal. Dark and light, contrasting colors, contrasting shapes and textures really make your garden pop.